Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into Veed.io, one of the most beginner-friendly cloud-based video editors. Whether you're just starting out or want to make professional-looking videos quickly, this tutorial will show you step-by-step how to get started. First, head over to Veed.io and sign up with your email. Gmail works perfectly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where creating a new project is just a click away. You can either upload your own footage or choose from their pre-made templates to get started fast. Once your project is open, the timeline is your best friend. You can trim, split, or resize clips by dragging the edges and zoom in for precise editing. Next, customize your media by swapping images or stock videos and even remove backgrounds with Veed.io's built-in tool to make your visuals cleaner and more professional. Adding text and subtitles is super simple. Just type directly, use ready-made templates, and move them around your video. You can also apply creative filters to give your video a unique look. On the audio side, you can import music, add sound effects, or use text-to-speech. Veed.io also lets you balance audio levels so everything sounds polished. Finally, when your video looks perfect, exporting is straightforward. Click download or share directly from Veed.io to social media and you're done. And that's it. With Veed.io, even beginners can create stunning videos in just a few steps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below with your favorite Veed.io feature. See you in the next video.